In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create this type of 3D green grass text effect in Photoshop. In this document, we have two layers, a background layer and a text layer. Now, let's add one more image, a green grass texture that we'll use for our text. Next, select the text layer and press Ctrl plus click on the layer thumbnail to make a selection of the text. Then select the grass layer and click on the Add Layer Mask icon. This will mask the grass texture inside the text shape. Now go to Select and Mask. Here, increase the radius. This will smooth the text edges. And adjust the smooth, feather, contrast, and shift edge values to refine the edges. Take your time to tweak these settings until the edges look clean and natural. Once you're happy with the result, click OK. Now, let's give our text a 3D look. Duplicate the grass text layer multiple times by pressing Ctrl plus J several times. You'll notice it starts to form a nice 3D effect automatically. To enhance it further, select the bottom layer and move it slightly down and to the right. Then do the same with the next few layers, shifting each one just a little. This creates a beautiful and realistic 3D grass depth effect. Now our text is looking great, but let's make it even more interesting by adding some natural elements. First, let's add a flower. Adjust its size and place it where it looks best. Let's add another flower on a different side for balance. Now, let's add some leaves. Resize them and place them around the text here. Let's add a few different types of leaves to create variety and a more realistic look. And place wherever they fit naturally. Let's add one more flower also. Now let's bring in a sunflower. This one looks beautiful. Place it in a few spots around the text to brighten up the design. Next, let's add a bird. Adjust its size and position so it looks like it's sitting or flying near the text. And maybe add one more small bird for extra detail. Finally, let's add a few trees in the background to complete the natural theme. Now for some finishing touches, select the top layer, make a selection of your text, and go to Hue and Saturation, and tweak the hue slightly. Increase the saturation to enhance the color of the grass and make it more vibrant. And that's it. We've created a beautiful 3D green grass text effect with flowers, leaves, and birds, all inside Photoshop.